How to log into your Home Depot credit card online account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how to log into your Home Depot credit card account online. So let's get started. So first thing, simply search in for Home Depot credit card login from any of your browser and simply tap on the first link which appears over here, and once you tap on that, you should be redirected to this page where you can basically provide your user ID, that is your registered user ID. And if you want your browser or your application to remember your user ID, you can just check this box over here and simply click on this password button over here and just enter the password which you set in the registration process of your Home Depot credit card online account, and simply click on sign in button to successfully sign into your Home Depot credit card online account. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.